Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we discussed about the construction of angles with the help of protractor. Okay. Now we see the parallel line and perpendicular line. See here. First, we see perpendicular line. So we already know that when two lines meet, an angle is formed. Suppose this line meet together, the angle is formed. This is angle. Okay. And now see in this figure, this is line AB and this line CD. Okay, so when but CD can be extend to a meet AB. Suppose we extend the line. ओके सो यहाँ पे हमने ये लाइन को इंक्रीज किया, एक्सटेंड किया. ओके सो दिस लाइन, बोथ द लाइन एक्सटेंड. Okay, so here AB and CD both line extend, we get here angle. Okay, here angle is formed. Then here angle is formed, but perpendicular line means if the angle is formed is 90 degrees. So this is not 90 degree. Okay, but when two line meet and the 90-degree angle is formed, these two lines called as perpendicular to each other. Suppose this is a one line, this is a sleeping line, and we get here, we draw a one standing line. Okay, these two lines meet to each other and here angle is formed. See here, this is straight line, sleeping line and standing line. So this type of angle is formed. These are 90 degree. So this line is perpendicular to this sleeping line. Suppose we write the name. This is AB and this line PQ. Okay. So we write here PQ. This is sign of perpendicular to line AB. Okay. PQ perpendicular to AB. Okay, suppose we take one more example here. See here, we draw a line. Suppose this is line and this line cross this way. These two lines meet here. Okay, again see here, this is 90-degree angle is formed. Okay, so this line here, how many angles form? 4 angles form. This again 90-degree angle, this 90-degree angle, and this is 90 degree, because these are straight line, both are. So here 90-degree angle is formed. So these two lines perpendicular each other. Okay, suppose this line AB and this is PQ. So line AB perpendicular to, sorry, this is sign of perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so this lines called as perpendicular lines. So examples are seen in your textbook. See, this is flag. This flag perpendicular to ground. Okay, ground surface. So here how much degree angle form? This is 90-degree angle is formed. Then here tree. This is straight tree, standing tree, and this is perpendicular to ground surface. Okay, so these are the examples, tree trunk. Okay, these are the examples of perpendicular lines. Now we see a parallel lines. See here, parallel lines means here are two lines are given, line AB and line CD. Okay, and if we extend the line AB and CD, they do not meet at all. Okay, they go endlessly. Suppose we increase this line. Okay, so they never meet to each other. Okay, see here, they never meet to each other. So whenever we measure, the distance between AB and CD will be same. दोनों में से बीच डिस्टेंस कैसे रहेगा? सेम. एंड दिस टू लाइन नेवर मीट टू ईच अदर, सच लाइन्स कॉल्ड एज पैरेलल लाइन. ओके, so what are the examples of parallel line? See here in your textbook. See, this is railway track. These two lines parallel to each other. Again this is smaller line, this wood. This line also parallel to each other, and they never meet to each other. This is road. Okay, see, this is road also example of parallel line, straight road. These two line or parallel to each other. Again in ladder, see ladder, this is two standing line parallel to each other. Again see, these are all sleeping line, these are all parallel to each other. Then your scale again is an example of parallel line. See edges of this scale, these are parallel to each other. Your book edges, see this book edge, this is your math textbook. Okay, so these two edges are parallel to each other, they never meet. आप extend भी करोगे तो भी वो एक दूसरे से मीट नहीं होगी और एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्सअप नहीं होगा. ओके, दिस लाइन कॉल्ड एज पैरेलल लाइन. ओके, देन we see the some examples from exercise 6.4. see here, question is given, identify and mark parallel and perpendicular line in the following figure. See here, this is book. Now I will show you. Just we discussed the edges of books are parallel to each other because this line and this line, these are parallel to each other. Okay, but see here, कॉर्नर, जो भी कॉर्नर रहते बुक के, तो बुक क्या रहेगा, सी हियर दिस इज योर बुक. ओके, एंड दिस इज कॉर्नर. सो दिस लाइन स्ट्रेटली, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक दिस इज ओल्ड बुक. ओके, इन न्यू बुक में क्या होगा, दिस एज इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस स्लीपिंग लाइन. Okay, so edges, this edge is perpendicular to this line. So here perpendicular line is formed, here parallel line, these are the parallel lines are formed, these are parallel lines. Okay, perpendicular कहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ पे corner पे one line and this is sleeping line. So you have to write parallel line and perpendicular line also. Then next, see here, this is traffic light. तो ट्रैफिक लाइट कौन सा आएगा, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, बिकॉज दिस ट्रैफिक लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू ग्राउंड सरफेस. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. देन डोर, सो ये डोर में क्या है, सी हियर दीज आर ऑल पैरेलल लाइन टू ईच अदर. सी हियर 1 2 3 4. ओके, सी दीज आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, बट see here is a straight line. When we here straight line draw, we get here perpendicular line. So यहाँ पे straight line है, so this line perpendicular this first line, then again perpendicular to second line and again third line. Okay, so here again we get the perpendicular line and parallel line. Then here in this figure this is box. Okay, so this box also, here are these 1 2 and these two line and these two standing line, these all lines are parallel to each other. एंड परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स कौन से आएगा, सी दिस इज एजेस, जो एजेस है एक कॉर्नर है, ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड दिस स्लीपिंग लाइन. सो दीज टू लाइन्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. मीन्स हियर इन ईच फिगर वी गेट द पैरेलल लाइन एंड परपेंडिकुलरली. यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, एज पे दिस स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन. यहाँ पे भी कौन सी लाइन है, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. दिस इज स्टैंडिंग लाइन अगेंस्ट स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड दिस इज स्टैंडिंग लाइन. यहाँ पे भी कॉर्नर पे कौन सा फॉर्म होगा, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. दिस इज अगेन परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. ओके, so these are in all example you have to write in your textbook only and identify the parallel line and perpendicular line. Now see, this is figure. Identify the right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle in the given figure. This figure is given, now you have to identify. So first you have to write a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree angle. So see here in the given figure आपको क्या कहाँ पे right angle मिलता है, जहाँ पे straight line एक दूसरे को मिक्स करती है और मीट होती है, इंटरसेक्ट करती है. सो यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री मिला, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री मिला, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री और सी दिस इज अगेन 90 डिग्री. सो यू हैव टू राइट द, वी गेट हियर 4 राइट एंगल. सो हाउ टू राइट द नेम, तो जहाँ पे भी आप एंगल लिखोगे एंगल का नाम मिडल में आता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट एंगल ए डी सी. ओके, डी मिडल में आया, सो राइट एंगल ए डी सी. देन बी सी डी, एंगल सी इज इन मिडल. Then angle ADC, angle A in DAB, DA is middle and angle ABC. These 4 are right angles. Now एक्यूट एंगल, एक्यूट मीन जो एंगल 90 डिग्री से स्मॉल है. ओके, सो विच आर द 90 डिग्री एंगल? सी, दिस इज 1, दिस 2 एंड दिस 3. ओके, और कौन कौन सा एक्यूट एंगल है? सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द दिस नेम, ई पी क्यू. ओके, देन ई क्यू पी एंड पी ई क्यू. फर्स्ट वी राइट दिस 3 एंगल्स. ओके, देन ई डी सी. कहाँ पे? ई डी सी, ई डी सी. यहाँ पे भी जो देखो ये एंगल फॉर्म हुआ है, ई डी सी एंड ई सी डी. दिस 2 angles also acute angle. See here, this angle and this angle. These 2 angles also acute angle. Then ADE, ADE, ADE. See here, this is outer side, ADE and ECB. Again, these are 2 acute angle. So these are angles called acute angles. Okay. So you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Then you have to try to solve yourself this V in yourself and solve this. A line is a collection of point. A line segment is the starting point, has a starting point and end point. A right angle measure 90 degree. Acute angle less than right angle. Okay, then obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then a angle whose measure 20 degree is called acute angle and the angle whose measure 120 degree is called obtuse angle. And sum of 2 right angle is 180 degree, 90 plus 90 degree. Okay, so try to solve this page in your textbook only. Thank you.